Are you new to programming? Want to learn Python but don't know where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'll teach you Python from scratch and no prior coding experience needed. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. It's used in web development, data science, AI, and even automation. The best part? Python has a simple syntax that makes it beginner-friendly. To start coding, first, install Python. Head to python.org, download the latest version, and install it. Now, let's write our first Python program. Open your Python editor and type print hello world. Run the script, and boom! You've written your first Python program. Now, let's cover the basics: variables, data types, and loops. Variables in Python: variables store data. You can assign values like this. Python has different data types such as strings, integers, lists, dictionaries, etc. Loops help us repeat actions without writing the same code multiple times. One of the most common loops in Python is the for loop. In this example, the loop runs 3 times and prints the message, "Welcome to Py and code," each time. Loops like this are useful when working with large amounts of data, automating tasks, or creating patterns in code. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python tips. Also, check out the video description for more learning resources.